Guys, today's video is going to be one of those great videos because I'm going to share one more game plan with you. You guys know that Ulta banned me if you are on the Discord server, because yes, we have a Discord server. Best place to meet new people selling on Amazon, best place to network, best place to ask any question you may have regarding Amazon, because we do not gatekeep stuff here, right? But if you are on the Discord server, you know that I've been banned on Ulta. I just cannot order shit on Ulta, and they will not just deliver at my prep center. I think my prep center address has been blacklisted by, you know, someone abused Ulta in the past, and I just cannot order Ulta anymore. So I'm gonna share with you my exact game plan, the game plan I've been using on Ulta, and I made so much money with products on Ulta for the last, you know, before I was suspended for 6 months. Like, I made so much money on Ulta. I think every single month I did, like, at least like close to $4,000. I was spending close to $4,000 at Ulta every single month. I'm gonna show you exactly the game plan I was using. Before I do, you need to know this. If you use tactical arbitrage to scan Ulta, and if you actually find a product on tactical arbitrage, if you scan Ulta, you need to know this product is going to tank, because right now everybody and their mothers are looking at Ulta. They are scanning Ulta. I don't know why. Ever since, I think it's February, March, something like that, everybody's sourcing at Ulta. Maybe because there was not a lot of stuff going on the other websites, but Ulta was terrible. Like, February, March was terrible before I got banned. It started to get terrible. So keep that in mind. Do not do this. And I'm going to tell you exactly where to look at when sourcing Ulta. So before you even start looking at Ulta, you need to know what is a great gift card on Ulta. On Ulta, if you stack your gift cards, you can easily find 10% gift cards. So be on the lookout for 10% gift card on Raise and all that stuff. Set up your alerts and stuff to grab the 10% gift cards on Ulta. Also, during Q4, all right, around Christmas, they sell gift cards directly on Ulta that are 20% off. I think it was 20% off. Maybe it was 10. I'm pretty sure it was 20% off. So when it comes to Christmas and you can buy a gift card directly from Ulta, you can buy $500 gift card. And even if it's just 10%, you can buy, because the thing is that you can buy $500 at a time, 10% easily, but I believe it was 20% off because you were buying them for $400. I'm pretty sure. So just stack up your gift, be ready, have some cash ready when it comes to Christmas time and stuff to stack up on those gift cards. If it's 20%, stack up on them. If it's 10%, stack up, because you're going to be able to spend a ton of money at Ulta, all right? If you do not get banned like I was, all right? So now that you know what gift card to look at, I need to tell you, as I said, if you look at it with tactical arbitrage, you're only going to find product that tanks, right? So the first place you want to look at, and it's a promotion that they do twice or 3 times a year, I believe, it's the 21 Days of Beauty, all right? Keep that in your mind, write it down on your game plan, whether you do it on Notion, whether you do it in your Notes app, whether you do it in Google Sheets, I don't care, write it down. You need to wait for the 21 Days of Beauty. This is a time where you're gonna make a lot of money. Why? Because the 21 Days of Beauty are basically a promotion that, as I said, it comes 2 or 3 times a year. And for 21 days, they have a new product that is 50% off, all right? So it may be some Mac product the first day. The second day, it may be some IT cosmetic, whatever. IT cosmetic got gated again, but, like, I think it gets restricted, but it's fine. Like, it's just for the sake of the example, right? And so you can watch, before it starts, you can watch, like, you can already have a look at what is going to be on sale for the whole 21 days, right? So whenever it comes, look at it. And the great thing is that even if a lot of people are looking for it, even if a lot of people actually buy those products and the price tanks, you can only buy them for 1 day. So even if the price tanks, if the product is selling fast enough, because of course, focus on fast selling products. If the product is selling fast enough, you can, like, it's fine. The price is going to bounce back because people are going to drop off the listing, right? Do not sell at the lowest, wait 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month and a half, and you are going to be able to sell your product back like at full MSRP, and sometimes over MSRP. That's the first thing that you need to look at. Also, during Black Fridays, the Ulta sales are crazy. You can buy a lot of shit from there, make great money. All right. They also have some brands, and I'm not going to give you everything. You need to look at it. There are some brands that only sell at Ulta and Target. All right. Some brands of cosmetic. Watch out for those because they sell great, and those typically do not tank. You can sell them in bundles, they do not tank. Watch for those, buy them, sell them. It's always great money. All right, sell the bundles because less people are going on the bundles. You are going to make great money. So that's for when it comes to those big promotions. But there's another thing that I want to show you. Usually, sometimes, and I don't know if it's still doing it or not, but like most of the time, you cannot scan the sale on Ulta, right? It's not working. You cannot scan the sales page because there's like on tactile arbitrage because there's no pagination, right? It's a dynamic website. You need to click on load more, and it's changed not too long ago, right? So there's two things you can do, all right? So the first one is you can just look at them manually and just look at the brands you know and stuff, or you can work with a custom script, right? If you have tactical arbitrage wholesales, like wholesale packaging, if you get a custom script to scrape the website, you scrape the whole website, and to get it in a CSV form, you can run the CSV through the tactical arbitrage wholesale thing and like basically run it on tactical arbitrage, so it's way faster. So by the way, I just saw a lead, and I think someone told me about it. I don't remember. I think I talked. Is it Randy? Maybe Randy. There's that Fenty Beauty stuff. It's a great lead. How deep are we in the video? We are 6 minutes deep in the video, so nobody is gonna see it. This is the fastest selling product from the brand Fenty Beauty. Look at it. You can maybe get some profit if you get it at $13.65. It's a great price. So look at it. But why I was saying this, yeah. So if you want, I do have a custom script to scan Ulta. I do have one myself. If you want to get mine, you know what? If you want to get mine, I'll just give it to you for $30. Because I paid more for that. You know what? I'll just give it to you for $20. Let's just say $20. That's fine. Talk to me in the Discord. We'll figure a way. If I left a link, I don't know what the demand is going to be. I don't think the demand is going to be that big because you do not really need it. It's really, if you really want to source Ulta, like if you really want to source Ulta as an advanced user, as an advanced seller, you know, you do not need that. But if you do want it, if you do want my script, I'll sell it to you for $20. Just contact me on Discord, send me an email, whatever. We'll figure out a way. If there's enough demand, I'll just create a small website where you can just buy it and I'll have all the information on how to use it. Do not, and I repeat, do not contact me for the script if you do not know how to work with script and how to work with Python. All right, you do not need to know how to code stuff, but like it's a little bit advanced. So if you've worked with script in the past, like just if you pretty much know, if you know more or less how to work with them, contact me. I'll give you the script for $20. And I'll show you which library you need to install and stuff. We'll work on that. If not, like, just forget it, because I do not want to, you know, be behind you guys and teach to every single one of you how to use script and teach every single one of you Python. All right. But yeah, if you want the script, contact me. We'll make something work. And yeah, so this is how you sell, you source on Ulta. Once again, I don't know, I don't even remember if I said it, but like, wait for Christmas to get the gift card, because they have gift card for 20% off on Christmas. Wait for that, wait for Christmas, and on Christmas stack up your gift card, even if it's just 10%. I don't remember, but I think it was 20%. Stack up those gift cards, because you can buy $500 at a time. So you can easily get 5,000. You just have to buy 10 gift cards. So, and do it with multiple accounts, because if not, they are not going to deliver all the gift cards. So yeah, different account, different credit card, you're going to be fine. So this is the game plan for Ulta. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like on this video, please, because every time I make a video that is, like, the more helpful the video I make is, like, there's always, if the video is super helpful, there's always that one motherfucker that leaves a thumbs down, because I don't know, I guess it's one of those YouTube guys who sells you course and who gatekeeps information that's actually leaving thumbs down. There's always one. I do not have a lot of thumbs down. There's always one guy on those game plans video. So if it's you, fuck you. I don't like you. Yeah, that's it for today. Watch those videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about Amazon. I release a new video on Amazon every single day. So if you want to learn about selling on Amazon, subscribe, like the video, so you'll get recommended other videos. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thanks for watching.